Is your wrench drawer a disaster?
Well, mine is not, and I have 3D printing to thank for it.
Hang tight for a few minutes and I'll show you how to get organized like this. All right, folks, if you've been around the channel for any length of time, you know that I'm a pretty big proponent of 3D printing.
Whether it be for automotive plumbing or cable management, like my zip tie buddy in all of its various forms, or rapid prototyping, or even functional parts. A few weeks ago, I was watching a video where the what no way guy was marveling at wiping paint pen into these Husky deep sockets to better identify them.
It will look like that.
What? No way.
A few hours later, I had my own socket organizer. This thing has sizes engraved. And what I think is really cool about it is it has an internal hex. So not only do the sockets drop down in, but they're held firmly in place. So I was scrolling the other night and I came across a video about 3D printing, and the guy was printing off my zip tie buddy spark plug wire separators. And you guys know me, I'm always trying to promote my designs, but you know, coming across somebody else using one of my designs in their videos, it made me think, well, you know what? I want to promote somebody else for a change. So check this out. This is the Tom Walkie modular wrench organizer system from a gentleman named Tom Wright. These are pretty slick. You can print them however you like, in any length and arrangement that you like, to store all manner of wrenches. These right here are a remix that I did of Tom's wrench organizer system for the bigger wrenches to lay at a 30-degree angle in the toolbox. Let me know in the comments if you want me to upload that remix. I will get it up there so you can get this too, but I'm gonna have a link to these in the description. With 3D printing, if you can dream it up and you can draw it in CAD, you can have it in your hands in a matter of hours. It's pretty revolutionary. And I firmly believe that you should learn CAD, but you don't have to, because people like me and people like Tom, they upload their designs and you can download them for free. Everything that you saw, from the socket organizers to the wrench organizers, that's only about 10 bucks worth of plastic. The machines these days are so good that you really don't even have to have very much skill to get acceptable results. If you can throw down $600 to $1,500 for a Bamboo Lab machine, it's gonna work right out of the box. And trust me, once you have one, you will find so many uses for it. You'll be printing stuff every single day. It's just the nature of the beast. And this is a hill that I'm gonna die on. It's time for you to start 3D printing. It's time. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. I hope you found it exciting and informative. If you did, be sure to smash that like button. My name is Casey. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.